So this is one of our previous customers that we were so far behind that he took it somewhere else, and he had a prop strike and bent the prop shaft, and the person he took it to came back with an estimate for $6,500 to fix this. Volvo Pentas are really strange, and if you don't know Volvo Pentas, you just don't know Volvo Pentas. So there's a set screw that has to come out before you can undo the carrier. And so if you look right there, you can see that's deformed right there because someone hadn't pulled out the set screw when they were pulling out the carrier, and that was what the problem was. But all the gears look good. I mean, everything, the gear oil that you could see a reflection of down there is nice and clean, turns smoothly. Now there's some metal shavings, but that's from where that pin was not removed, and he tried to unscrew it. I guess he didn't know that this has to be unscrewed because it's only on a Volvo before you can unscrew the carrier. So we cleaned the burrs off of it, and here's a carrier. It's screwing down in just like it's supposed to. That should be good. That should be good. And if you look, it doesn't look like the outside is deformed. And it seals way down in the bottom there, so even if this was a little egg-shaped, there's no seal there. That's just wide open. But what we're thinking is this person never pulled that set screw out, undid it, and you can look at the pictures of the old carrier and you can see the grooves from where that set screw wasn't undone. And that's where it seals, is way down there. So if they up here is a little
it's basically all exhaust.
It's just exhaust housing.
And then you got your prop shaft seal
and
here.
A prop shaft seal there. So as far as we know, we just need a prop shaft, seal kit, and that's our carrier. And put it back together, and it's got some little damage on that right there, but that can be filed off of there. We can make it so it looks like new. So that's where we are.